Looking for a loud noise fix for Andis Trimmer with 220 volt to 110 volt converter? You need the frequency 60 Hz voltage and frequency converter. This amazing converter will provide your US 110 volt clippers or shavers outside the USA as it should without any annoying noise. Or performance issues. This promise is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Plus, for a limited time, you get a travel bag and universal international plug adapter thrown in absolutely free. To find out more, click the link below or type the address below into your browser.